Hello and welcome back. Today I am going to show you how to paint this galaxy bookmark step by step. Let's take a quick look at all the materials which I am using. Tape to get the clean edges. Camel Artist Gesso. Sponge is optional but it helps to create a galaxy effect. Acrylic painting sheet 400 GSM. Paint which I am using white, black, rose madder, violet and yellow. But feel free to use any colors you like, there is no right or wrong, just have fun with it. A few brushes, an angled brush and detail brush. Step 1. Prepare the paper. Start by cutting your paper into bookmark size. Once it's ready, tape down the edges. Step 2. Apply base colors. I am applying the paints directly from the tube onto the paper. I will begin with the black at the top and followed by violet. Now I am using sponge to blend the colors and create the dreamy galaxy look. You can also use a brush if you don't have a sponge. Wet the sponge slightly but don't soak it. Gently dab the paint starting from the darkest color. Using violet with white. Next I'll move on to pink. I have mixed rose madder with little white to get this shade. Next to blend this I am using violet. Then comes yellow mixed with white. To blend this I am using pink. To get galaxy effect, I am adding the slightest amount of dabs of yellow on the darkest area, just a little bit for the starry night effect. Feel free to add more color wherever you feel it's needed to make it more vibrant. Step 3. Paint the trees. With the leftover space at the bottom, I am using black paint to create trees. First I use angled brush to paint horizontal baseline. Then I switch to detail brush to add the trees above that line. Step 4. Add stars. Using a tiny detail brush, I take white paint and adding small stars all across the sky. For few stars, I add cross shapes to make them look like they are twinkling. Then using fan brush with white paint, I apply some paint gently to add that rubbery stardust effect. Now it's time to remove the tape. If any paint has seeped through the edges, don't worry. Use gesso or white paint to clean it up. I prefer gesso as it matches the paper color better. Just take a small brush and carefully paint over the edges for that clean finished look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more painting videos.